Hello, I'm Jay McClellan. I'm President and CEO of Home Automation Inc., aka HAI, and I'm coming to you from the RAI in Amsterdam, where we're at ISE 2012. Let me show you what's new from HAI here. HAI is best known for energy management, security, and lighting control, and we're also showing in Europe for the first time our brand new DIN rail-based Omnibus product line for lighting control in areas outside of North America. We also have our Hi-Fi 2. This is the most powerful 400-watt multi-channel amplifier on the market today. You can see here we've got 8 stereo zones at 50 watts apiece. And by Cat 5 we connect to this very attractive volume and source control that shows you what's playing and allows you to adjust the volume, the bass, the treble from any room, as well as the sources that we're listening to, and it shows you the metadata of what we're listening to. So and since we're focused in on it, you can even jump to the next track and go to the prior track if you happen to like that song and want to hear it again. So very, very easy to use, very, very powerful, 25 watts at 8 ohms, and this system is completely built in. So that makes it very appealing to the consumer because you don't have black box speakers all over the place, you have speakers built into the wall. So that's Hi-Fi 2 from HAI, very compact, no rack required. The other thing that they have 2 additional accessories for the Hi-Fi 2. You can plug your audio sources either in directly to the unit, or you have a Cat 5 remote input module that can go behind your home theater and bring the audio from the home theater into the system. We even have a Bluetooth remote input module so that you can play anything from your smartphone. That's Pandora, Rhapsody, Napster. Anything that can stream from your smartphone can stream to this system, and therefore over the entire house. It's a lot of fun because you can DJ from your wireless device and have it play loudly through the speakers inside the home. We also have an IP-enabled Ipod dock here. So I take my iPod or other iOS device, plug it right in, and it now is under control of the system, and you can actually select songs off of your iPad on an HAI touchscreen or on the volume source control. So this charges up your iPhone or your iPod and allows you to listen to the music throughout the house. With the album cover art, the libraries can be accessed, and of course you have the volume and the selection of tunes on it as well. Okay, that's Hi-Fi 2. This is a wonderful standalone system, but it's also both IP and serially controllable, so it can be connected to an HAI automation system or another control system out there. Now let's take a quick look at Omnibus. This is our European lighting control system. The standard for lighting control systems in Europe is DIN rail mounting. So we have a controller, we have various input and output modules, and then we have various keypad modules as well. The beauty of these is this reduces wiring costs, and it makes the buttons programmable. So instead of having a big row of switches, you can have a switch plate that has 1, 2, 3, or 6 buttons, such as this unit here. This is 3 buttons. We also have 6 buttons on this, as well as wireless interfaces. This is a wireless switch as well. It's completely wireless, so you can stick it on the wall, and it can control the Omnibus system. But the whole unit is bus-based, therefore your wiring costs with the high-voltage wiring are substantially reduced, and these keys are programmable so that they can perform any function. This could be all off, this could be all on, push and hold dims the lights inside the room. All programmable by you. Now, want to expand this? Plug it into Ethernet, and that connects it to an HAI system, which allows it to be completely controlled by your touch screens, which integrate security, intercom, macros, media, as we saw a little bit before, your temperatures inside the house so that you can raise and lower temperatures, the event log, answering the front door, intercom, all types of things available here. So that's the Omnibus lighting control system. Now let's talk about HAI's overall system to which both of these units can connect. HAI is well known for its security and automation systems. This is a full security system that also has an automation processor in it, as well as connectivity to the Ethernet so that you can have applications, other devices, and then all of your in-home devices such as door and window contacts, motion detectors. These can either be hardwired to these terminals here, or it can be wireless using this bus-based wireless receiver, and all of these wonderful wireless devices to provide security. So that's the security side of things. For temperature, these are mostly used in North America and some countries as well, but these are our Omnistat 2 thermostats, which control temperature as well as humidity and have a number of other good features. Then for multi-air systems such as Daikin and Mitsubishi, this Cooler Master unit interfaces those systems to the HAI system. We also have access control integrated in well, so that you can use this as an entry mechanism for the system. And that opens this little lock right here, and it goes into the event log of the system. And finally, let me show you a couple of applications that we have here. We have applications for both iOS and Android. This is an example of the Android phone. Here's the HAI application. We open it. I happen to be standing here at the RAI in Amsterdam, but this is going over the cellular network, then to IP, back to my HAI controller, and I get the same icons here as I do on the system's touchscreen. So we can check the overall status of the system. We can control any of the lights and appliances that are under control of the system. We can look at the security system. I can see that the main home is currently armed, and I can check on the zones and make sure that all of those are secure. I see the stair door is not ready, but that's okay. That's an interior zone. We can look at the temperatures. So I can adjust the temperature in the bedroom here by changing the cool setting. So obviously you can control everything related to this system right from your smartphone, including cameras. So here we have a pet camera here, and when we're away from home we can check on the animals. They're usually around the ping pong table down where they stay. And we can control the audio system, and my favorite, of course, is seeing the event log, so I can tell who's come and gone and what's been happening. We're here in Amsterdam. This is live from my home in New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. So everything about my home is in my pocket with my Android or iOS type device. So that's it in a nutshell from the RAI in Amsterdam for 2012. This is Jay McClellan signing off. Thanks, Rave.